in the mail. This is how it comes. Look at this. Never seen really anything like this from a supplement company. You open it up, you get this massive cup, huge cup. I've never seen a cup like this, and it's of course has their emblem on it. You get the athletic greens. Now mind you, this is only 77 bucks per freaking month. Then you get all of these free little extra athletic greens here. I could give this to anyone I care about. And of course the cup, it comes with your own wooden container. Look how aesthetic that looks. And then on top of this, and what makes this really great, by the way, is, you know, when you're freaking like trying to dig down in a freaking protein jar, like you have to dig all in there, your hands get all filled with the protein powder, all of that, etc. Well, instead of keeping it in the bag, you just dump it in this aesthetic cup with the top on it. It keeps it fresh, and then you never have to worry about that ever again. This is really, really, really ingenious by this company. It comes with its own little scoop. Look at this. I mean, this is really in here too. All of this stuff, like, look at the freaking texture even of this. I mean, they really went above and beyond. This company's been around for a while though. This is literally like the feeling of glass. This is. This goes with the aesthetic cup, and then you get your own shaker, because all you do with athletic greens is you put water in here, you shake it up, and boom, there you go. 10 to 12 servings of fruits and vegetables in your day, man. This is absolutely incredible. I'm just blown away by the display, because I mean, they really didn't have to do all this. This is already the top supplement in the world. It has vitamin A in it, C, E, B1, B2, B3, B6, folate, B12, B7, panthoic acid, jeez, man, dude, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, chromium, sodium, potassium. So basically everything that the metabolism, literally what the metabolism needs to function, so you don't have a slow to go metabolism. On top of that, you have all of these fruits and vegetables inside of it. You have this nutrient dense extract and herb antioxidant blend. You have a digestive blend, and you have a probiotic blend. Dude, you literally can almost throw away all of your supplements in your entire cupboard. This is insane. And this is meant to last for, you guessed it, 30 full days. So an entire month. Now, I'm not sure if you get this every single time. I think you get this as a new customer. I haven't ordered athletic greens in a long time. I used to recommend this to my clients, man, when I first became a personal trainer. I wasn't even a strength and conditioning specialist yet. But I was really, really, really into gut health at that point because of my autoimmune condition, etc. As well as I got a lot of clients with slow metabolisms. And I came up on athletic greens learning about all of the different vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that the body actually needed. Well, athletic greens takes care of a lot of that. And then the rest is just from your balanced nutrition, which I teach clients how to do. But this is the unboxing of this beautiful supplement. And it even gives you all of the instructions here. So like certain people who don't like to read the instructions, boom, they make it super aesthetic, fun for you to read. They tell you everything that you get. They even tell you the ounces that are in the cup. I mean, it shows you how to stir the stuff. I mean, what have you guys not done? Thank you, Athletic Greens. This would be Coach Jay signing out.